Hello, this is Dr. Jeff, and who doesn't like packages? And I received one not too long ago. And then when I opened it up, by the way, I did open it up, I wondered, who is it that sent it? And I saw the name Rodriguez, and then I saw Michigan, and I'm thinking, oh, this must be Noreen Rodriguez from Michigan, a group of educators that I'm working with for the teaching of Asian American studies. So big surprise just receiving this. So let me go ahead and open the contents of this box. Lots of cool stuff in here. Once again, I already opened it, but I think it's still kind of fun to see what's inside, right? So first we got this t-shirt here. All right. Oh yeah. Teach Asian America. I like that. I want to put that on right now, actually. All right, there we go. Teach Asian America. Wonderful, amazing t-shirt. Let's see what else we got in here. Looks like there's some smaller items first. Gonna go ahead and pull those things out. We got a Teach Asian America notebook. We have a Calavera Essence face mask, good moisture is always a good thing. Let's see what else we got here. We got Sweet Dreams, I think it's like tea, herbal tea right here, herbal tea. We have green tea here. Definitely as you're reading, it's nice to kind of just sip on something nice and knowing that someone had been so thoughtful to consider those kinds of things when, sending a package like this. We got, Corky Lee's Asian America. I have to say I don't have this book, so I'm going to look forward to kind of looking through this. This is 50 Years of Photographic Justice. Once again, I have not taken a look at this before. We also have the Vincent Chin Legacy Guide. So once again, I have not looked at this one either, but I am excited to take a closer look at this. We got a pen here. This pen says Asian American right here, Asian American. And a little box here. Let's go ahead and open that up. And it says Teach Asian America. And I think it's a battery pack. So if you just open it up here, you got like the USB and Apple, and then looks like some type of charger, battery charger right here. And let's see, and the last thing I have is actually this card. I'm gonna go ahead and read it at this time. What do I do with all the terrible news? Today I will let it inflate my capacity to love. I will allow my heart to expand beyond what it's grown accustomed to. My love will know no bounds. I will flood this new space with their stories, their cries, their songs, and in response will do that which love requires. I will go where love sends me. I will bring love back home. I will stay soft and tender and pliable. I will let this swelling heart make something new out of me. Quotes from Danielle Koch Balfour. But what a powerful quote, and I think one that I'm wanting to think about a little bit more, especially with everything going on these days. Well, thank you for this amazing gift. Really appreciate this, Dr. Noreen Rodriguez, and just big surprise, and thank you.